Hi everyone. So I'm here today to talk about something which is very crucial in your spoken English journey. Now, a lot of you I see have this habit of thinking in your mother tongue and then translating it into English and then trying to speak. Okay. Now, the problem with this is it delays your speech, and most of the time your sentences are formed incorrectly. Now, what do you do to resolve this? I know at this point, a lot of you are thinking, oh, that's me. But trust me, it is a very common issue. And to be honest, at one point in life, even I used to do the same. But I'm going to share a trick that is going to help you immensely in overcoming this problem. So, first of all, the trick to learn English or the trick to speak in English fluently is to surround yourself with the language. When I say surround yourself with the language, it means read English whenever you can, listen to English whenever you can, and think in English. That's the key. Okay. Now, when I say think in English, try and change your thoughts to English instead of your mother tongue. That's a key element in building your spoken English skills. I also see a lot of you watch Hindi videos and try to learn English from them. My friend, that is not going to help you. English and Hindi are both very different languages from each other, and till the time you try and translate everything from Hindi to English, your English journey is not going to take off. So, as they say, you can only learn to swim when you are in the water. There is no other choice. So, surround yourself with the language, listen to as much of English content as you can, read at every opportunity that you can, and think in English, and of course, try and practice with someone. These are the ways in which you can see a rapid change in the way you speak, and it will also help you become a confident speaker.